Hello friends, myself Arnab Kundu. You are watching my channel Technical Arcoin. Today I will discuss another video on R programming language. And today we discuss more syntax on this R programming language, right? Like all objects which is present within this R programming language have
intrinsic
attributes like mode and length. Okay. What is the importance of these two attributes I will discuss today. Also, I will discuss what are the different data structure which have within the R programming language like vector and list, and also how to write the code within a file for R programming language is concerned. Also, I will discuss step by step. So, go to the R GUI. I will discuss today's video step by step elaborately. So let's dive in.
Hello friends, I am just within the R GUI interface where we write our more syntax on R programming language. And one of the properties of R programming language is that all kind of objects have intrinsic attributes. One is mode, another is length. Mode defines the type of elements of the object and length defines the number of elements of the object. Right. So within the R console, suppose we write a equal 10. So we are defining here a numeric value within the variable a, and then suppose write print within parentheses, suppose write mode a, and it prints what type of element of the object is a numeric, right? And same way, suppose we write here print and then within parentheses suppose write length, this attribute, and send the argument the variable a, so also it print 1 because this is only one element is there. So mode and length, two intrinsic attributes which have all object is concerned within this R programming language. One is mode, other is length. Okay. And now if we talk about the data structure of R programming language, there is a two different data structure are available. One is vector, other is list. What is vector? Vector is a contiguous sequence of objects with same types. Okay. And what is list? List is a sequence of objects of any kind, right? Means any type maybe. And for vector is concerned, this data structure we need C, this particular function, to generate any vector or to define any vector in R programming language. And for list data structure we need list, this particular function. Okay. At first we define a vector here. Suppose we write here v equal, and then suppose write C, because C we already told function to define any vector, and the object should be the similar type. So suppose write 12, 34, 55, 78 and parenthesis close, right? And if we print this v, so it print the all elements of that particular object v. Right? Just print here, print, suppose write mode v, so it print what is a numeric because all the elements are the numeric of that object. And if we print length of this v, then it print 4 because there is a 4 element is there for this object is concerned, right? Now this is the example how to create vector. Now how to create a list using R programming language. Suppose we write here L equal and need what? List, this function. Suppose we write here 12.34 because it is any kind of object, means any type you can define, not like only a similar type. Okay. Suppose we define a logical type t for true is concerned, and then suppose define a integer like that. Okay. Then suppose a complex 12 plus 6i, and then parenthesis close and press enter. And if you print this L, so it print whatever the element you are already given as the object element, it just print one after another, right? And now if we just print here mode L, so it print what is a list because it's type of list. And if you print the length of L, so it print 4 because the 4 elements is there for particular list is concerned, right? So these are the basic syntax or basic elements which is present within this particular R programming language. All kinds of objects have two intrinsic attributes, one is mode, other is length for R programming language is concerned, right? And we already defined two different data structure, one is vector and the list. Vector is what? It is a contiguous sequence of objects with same types, while list is a sequence of objects with different types or any kind, right? Now we are defining here for R programming language is concerned, we already do the program through the R console. Now we need to create a file, means if we quote the program in R programming language, we should need a file, and this file is called script. R programming language and the extension is .r, right? Just go to the file and choose new script. So this window will open, and suppose we write here some program here. At first we write here comments, means the line which is not executable, it just used for more readability, right? So just write here my first R program, right? So this is the first comment, and suppose we put here, for example, my channel name technical Arcoin, right? And now we write some code here. Suppose we define a vector v equal, and suppose we define the vector element of the object like this, and then we want to print this at first the vector elements, and then we use what, the mode, this attribute, and send the argument v, and then we print again the length and send the argument v, okay? And before we do that, at first we clear our console, so just go to the edit and just choose this option, clear console, okay? Now we already write the code within the particular R editor, and now we want to save, so just press Ctrl S. So this window will open where we want to save it. Suppose we save in my documents, this section, and suppose we put the name of the file ex1 dot extension should be .r, because as a R programming language is concerned, the extension should be whatever the name you provide, then .r, then press save. So this name will be there, ex1.r. If we now execute this line, so at first we select the all lines and then right click on there, the option is there, run line or selection, or you can press using keyboard Ctrl R, just press it. So just see each and every line we just get here. Yes, the error is there. Why? Because when you define the vector, we know we need the function c, right? We don't put that, that's why the error is given. So after that again we save it, Ctrl S, and then again select the all part, and before that at first we clear our console again and already save it. Select the all lines which are present within this file ex1.r, right click there and choose run line or selection, or you can press Ctrl R, right? So now see, the first line is not executable, so just go through my first R program. Again the second line the same, it is also comment section, don't execute and don't put any error. Now it define a vector, so that's why it's given, and the print this, so what happened, it print all the elements whatever the present within this vector as its element is concerned, then print mode v, so mode is numeric because all the values are numeric and the similar type, and length v is given 4 because there is a 4 element is there, right? So in that way we create any script or file. When you write more than one line within particular file we can create using R programming language, the extension should be whatever name you provide, .r. I hope you have understood today's video. Today's video is more about R programming language, how to create a file, how to more program, not only the console, also using the R editor, right? And also I already told in my previous video, we can use also R Studio, this IDE. So within this IDE you can do this all part very efficiently, right? If you like this video, please like it, share it. Still you have some doubts, just write in the comment section of this video. I will try to solve this problem. Those who are still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Keep watching Technical Arcoin for more upcoming videos. So today up to this, thank you and bye bye.